Hi everyone, Imran here with another video, and in today's tutorial I will guide you step by step on how to pass safety nets and play integrity basic CTS profile match device integrity checks on Android 13 running on stock and custom ROMs. I have already made another tutorial, but the Magisk modules, Universal SafetyNet Fix and Shamiko are no longer working. So in this video, I will share two new modules that are working perfectly on Android 13 to pass the basic and CTS profile match checks. So what is SafetyNet and play integrity, and what's the difference? SafetyNet is a toolkit for developers to check device security and app environments. On the other hand, Play Integrity API ensures device compatibility and security. It's replacing SafetyNet, which is going offline in January 2025. Therefore, apps relying solely on SafetyNet won't work after the deadline. Most developers have switched to Play Integrity at this point. Passing strong integrity on Android 13 is not possible if your device is rooted or just the bootloader is unlocked. Both Play Integrity and SafetyNet contribute to the overall security of the Android ecosystem. So without further wasting your time, let's get started on how to pass SafetyNet, CTS Profile Match and Basic Integrity, as well as Play Integrity API test. So first of all, make sure your phone is rooted with Magisk, otherwise it won't work for you. So I will now open the Magisk app. Tap on the gear icon. Now scroll down, make sure Zyges is enabled. I have already hidden the Magisk app, as you can see. Now doing this will only pass the basic integrity check. As you can see, it is giving basic integrity pass, but CTS profile match is still giving false. Now again open the Magisk app. This time tap on modules. Now as you can see, I have installed Shamiko and Universal SafetyNet Fix, but it's not working as you already saw it. So I will remove these modules. Tap on remove. Now tap on install from storage, and from the download file I will select the SafetyNet Fix 2.3.1 modded version. The download link is given in the description of this video. Tap on it, install confirmation, tap OK. Now it is installed. Now I will reboot my phone. Now I will run SafetyNet attestation again. Congratulations, you have successfully passed basic integrity as well as CTS profile match running Android 13, as you can see. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now if your phone is running a custom ROM, like I have Google Pixel 7 and it is running Android 13 and Lineage OS custom ROM, as you can see, it is running Lineage OS 20 and Android security update is July 5, 2023. Now I will run the Play Integrity API Checker app first, just to show you it's working. Now meet device integrity and basic integrity as well strong integrity, all are giving failed error. Now run the SafetyNet attestation checker. Here again the same results, basic integrity and CTS profile match is giving failed. Don't worry, just in a moment we will fix this. Run Magisk app, tap on modules. Now tap on install from storage and select the Play Integrity. The download link is given in the description of this video. Now tap on install. It is successfully installed. Now it will auto remove the SafetyNet Fix attestation modded version that is also working on custom ROMs. Unlock your phone after reboot. Now I will run Magisk app. Just to show you that module have successfully been installed. As you can see, Play Integrity Fix is installed. Now I will run the SafetyNet Checker and Play Integrity Checker apps. Tap on check. Congratulations, as you can see. Now run SafetyNet attestation. Now again, congratulations, you have successfully passed the basic integrity and CTS profile match running on a custom ROM Android 13. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.